shin-bone flute singer, lyre stringer, dry bird, jar fly. Shin-bone flute singer, lyre stringer, dry bird, jar fly. Shin-bone flute singer, lyre stringer, dry bird, jar fly. He's called shin-bone flute singer, lyre stringer, August dry bird, jar fly. His body is soundbox, drumskin, motor. He taps his timble, a ratcheting vibroslap, revving to a tom-tom. He braces to the branch, wings and voice strain open when he amps it up to a whirring howl. His ballad could burst your eardrum. His churring fills woodlands, porches, your sleepless house. On windscreens, in gardens, his kind lie in drifts, lyric cicadas, exhausted from calling. Shin-bone flute singer, lyre stringer, dry bird, jar fly. Shin-bone flute singer, lyre stringer, dry bird, jar fly. Shin